Hi billionaires, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Herimba. This is my very first video. This is introduction, and we're going to be talking about why we're doing this, and we're going to be talking a little bit about the financial markets and who this video is for and what you gain to get being a part of this channel, that is subscribing, liking and posting a comment, which if you've not done that already, kindly do that right now. Hit the subscribe button, the like, and then drop a comment. I'm from Nigeria in West Africa. If you don't know where that is in Africa, the western part of Africa. Okay, and then yes, I trade the financial market, okay, the cryptocurrency, and the forex market especially. All right, although I've met some people that when you tell them about the financial market, they'll be like, oh, you trade forex, you trade crypto, and there are people that are like, which one is better, the crypto market or the forex market? Which one should I trade? Which one should I leave? The thing is, which I will always tell people, is everything boils down to light, to knowledge. Okay, you need to have knowledge of what you're going to trade, and this is why majorly many people think trading is a scam. No, trading is not a scam. The thing is, you're going for trading in the wrong way, and that's why you're blowing many accounts. If you're like me and you've lost a lot of money, please hold on and watch the video to the end. This is literally for you. If you're an advanced trader and probably you're looking for ways to advance your knowledge, new information and all that, this channel is for you. And if you're new, you don't even know your way around a chart, you don't even know how to forecast the market, you don't even know how to analyze trade, this channel is also for you. The financial market, like I was saying, it's vast. Okay, it's not just the forex market and it's not just the crypto market. The financial market is vast. We have futures. There are people that trade the futures like the Nasdaq and all that. We have the bonds, we have the stocks, and the financial market is vast. Okay, it's not just the future and the forex and the crypto, which are the most popular ones, okay, that people trade. And it's also kind of easy, because if you want to trade the futures market, you should have like at least $25,000 or so to start. I don't know if I'm correct, but I think I am. Yes, but with let's say $100 or so, you can start trading on the forex market. You can start trading cryptocurrency. All right, so what's the purpose of this channel? The purpose of this channel is to bring knowledge, to bring light. You see, the Bible said in the beginning, the earth was filled with darkness, right? And the earth was void, was formless and void, and God came and God said, what? Let there be light. If God looked for light first before doing anything, I don't think you and I have any excuse or have any other thing to do when we want to do something meaningful or something as technical as trading than to look for light. So you need light, which is knowledge. You need a whole lot of knowledge, and trust me, you never stop learning. All right, you're not going to stop learning after mastering the market. You're not going to stop learning before mastering the market. Okay, learning continues. Like one of the biggest name, I love the guy so much, Michael ICT himself. Okay, he has been trading for the past 30 years and he's still trading and he's still learning. So you see, you can never say, okay, I've gotten to this part of my trading career that I cannot learn again. Once you stop learning, you stop knowing, and once you stop knowing, trust me, you start losing even the things that you've known before. All right, so if you're new to the market or you're looking for ways to start trading, you just need technical knowledge. You need to know how to read the chart. You need to know your ways around fundamental analysis. You need to know what the market is doing or what the market will be doing before it does it. Technically, in this in the world of trading, all right, nobody is 100%. Nobody has all the information. Nobody can tell anything or everything about the market. Okay, you can have a market well plotted out and it's supposed to go the way, but just one news, okay, by 8:30 or so, and boom, the market is going opposite your direction. Okay, so having said that, okay, who is this channel for, and what do you stand to gain subscribing to my channel? One is you're going to gain knowledge, you're going to gain mastery. All right, you're going to gain, because I'll be posting a lot of videos from other people, videos from other YouTubers, videos from other traders. We're going to be posting materials, and we're just going to be advancing our knowledge and putting our hands in as far as we can go to make sure that we gain the technical knowledge. If this sounds good to you and you know somebody that you know might need this information, please kindly subscribe, like this video and share. And also you can drop a comment below and tell me what you would like us to talk about. And if you're a beginner and you need help, or you need guidance on where to go about it, I have a community on my Telegram channel where we post information, where we post videos, and we share ideas among ourselves that help us to grow and help us to trade better. All right, so if you're new and you need technical knowledge, you want to know how to trade the financial markets, you want to know how to read charts, you want to know how to trade strategies, you want to know how to trade price action, how to trade liquidity and all that, don't worry about the names for now. You will learn it along the way. All right, even me, a couple of years ago, a couple of months ago, I didn't know most of these things. Okay, and as I'm learning, I'm also going to be posting most of these materials. I'm going to be posting tutorials so that we will learn together and trade in financial markets profitably together. So if that sounds good to you and you've not subscribed, all right, subscribe right now, subscribe and like the video. Okay, and do it to share it so that your friends can also get the value, can also get value for it. Okay, so our target for the year, first we're going to be going for knowledge. We're going to be gaining a lot of knowledge, you know, knowing how to trade the financial market, knowing your ways around the charts. And if you don't know any of these things already, don't bother, don't disturb yourself much about it, because I'm going to be talking about how to use the trading view. I'm going to be talking about trading the forex market using the appropriate app like MT4 or MT5, how to connect to them and how to create an account. All this will come later on in the channel, so I will advise that you subscribe, that you click on the notification bell, so that each time we post a video you're not going to miss it. Okay, all right, so having said that, I would love you to even if you're an advanced trader and you've been trading for a while, or you are like me, you've lost a whole lot of money to the financial market, and you think right now that the financial market, that trading is a scam. No. What you don't know is that you need to go for knowledge. You need to have the technical skills first of all before you can get the gains. Okay, you get the technical skills, you know what to do, and you get the gains. Okay, but most of the time what some people do right in this situation is that they go for the gains. When you go for the money, you go for the promises. You know, you've gotten heard a lot of things about how the crypto market, how the forex, how the financial market can make you rich overnight and all that. I want to tell you that there is nothing like that unless you trade meme coins, and you can just put $5 into a coin, and before you wake up, boom, you're a millionaire. You're having $5 million. All right, unless you do that, you will need is a journey. All right, trading is a journey, it's not a destination. I don't think anybody ever gets to that destination, because there's always something new to learn, there's always strategy to advance on, even there's always more strategy to get, so that you get enough confluence and get high probability trades. Okay, don't bother about the languages for now, don't bother about the names. Trust me, by the time you join our community and by the time you follow our tutorials and you follow our lessons, it's going to be a piece of cake for you. Okay, so I'm going to be posting videos like this. Actually, this is an introductory video, so there's nothing much but just telling you what we are doing, who we are, and what you stand to gain being part of us, part of our community. So that's what this video is majorly and basically about. Okay, all right, so we're going to be posting more videos every week. Every now and then we're going to be posting videos how to trade the market, how to, if you're a beginner, how to trade the market, if you're an advanced trader, how to even trade the market better, how to get strategy, how to test your strategies and all that. Okay, I'm not just going to be posting videos from me. I'm not just going to be making videos, but I'm also going to be posting videos by other traders, people that have been tested and trusted in the markets, people that have been trading for years, and people that have results. Okay, I'm going to be posting their videos, and I'm going to be directing you to their materials, and it's just a journey. It's just a journey. So if you're ready to come with me to this journey, I say welcome to my channel, and please do it to subscribe, to like, and to share. Okay, see you in the next video. Love you.